Opening shot of a person sitting in front of a computer with a mischievous smile on their face. Narrator: are you ready to learn some secret tricks that will make your life easier and impress your friends? Look no further, because today we're sharing the top 5 secret tricks that you won't find anywhere else. Cut to the first trick. Trick number 1, keyboard shortcuts. Narrator: did you know that using keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time and effort? Instead of clicking through menus and options, you can use simple key combinations to execute commands quickly. Here are some of our favorite keyboard shortcuts. 1. Ctrl+C to copy. 2. Ctrl+V to paste. 3. Ctrl+Z to undo. 4. Ctrl+Y to redo. 5. Ctrl+F to find. 6. Ctrl+A to select all. Cut to the second trick. Trick number 2, custom fonts. Narrator: tired of the same old boring fonts? Here's a secret trick to spice up your documents and presentations: custom fonts. You can easily download and install new fonts from the internet and use them in your favorite applications. Just make sure to choose fonts that are easy to read and appropriate for your audience. Cut to the third trick. Trick number 3, screen recording. Narrator: need to show someone how to do something on your computer? Don't waste time typing out instructions. Use the screen recording feature to create a video tutorial that you can share with others. Many operating systems and applications have built-in screen recording tools, or you can use third-party software for more advanced features. Cut to the fourth trick. Trick number 4, voice commands. Narrator: did you know that you can control your computer and other devices with your voice? Voice commands can save you time and make it easier to multitask. Here are some popular voice commands you can use. 1. Hey Siri, on Apple devices, or OK Google, on Android devices, to activate virtual assistants. 2. Play song name, to listen to music. 3. Set a timer for number of minutes, to set a timer. 4. Open application name, to open an application. Cut to the fifth trick. Trick number 5, email templates. Narrator: sick of typing out the same email over and over again? Save time with email templates. Most email clients allow you to create and save templates for common messages. Just customize the template with the recipient's name and other details, and you're good to go. Closing shot of the person typing on their computer with a satisfied look on their face. Narrator: there you have it, the top 5 secret tricks that will make your life easier and more productive. Try them out and see how much time and effort you can save. Happy computing!